Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Roop Sandhu. So today I'm going to be creating this look which is inspired by James Charles, who is a great makeup artist and a YouTuber as well. So I really got inspired by one of his picture for the promotion of his palette with Morphe. I just put the picture on the screen and I know you'll see a huge difference in his and my makeup, but I'm still very happy because it's looking very nice in person. So I really congratulate him for his collaboration with Morphe. I don't have an access to that palette, but I really wish to have it. Anyways, this is the look we are going to go for today and I really hope that you guys will enjoy it. Please let me know in the comment section what you think about it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new and also click on the bell icon. Follow me on Instagram, and now let's get started. So I have already done my eyebrows. I've done my eyebrows with Maybelline Drama gel eyeliner because I have black eyebrows, so this one is perfect for my eyebrows. And after that I'm going to take a primer. This one is by Maybelline. It's their Master Primer. It's the Blur Plus Smooth Primer. So I'm just going to apply it on my cheeks like that, and I'm also going to apply it on my nose. So it's a nice primer. You can definitely go for this one. It's a very smooth primer and a bit liquidy as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna spread it all over. And after that I'll be taking a foundation. This is Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. Shade that I have is 230, and I'm just going to apply it straight with this beauty blender. And first I'm just gonna apply the foundation, and then I'm gonna spread the foundation on whole face like that. So always make sure that your beauty blender is damp. Okay, so after that I'm going to take a concealer. I'll be taking Maybelline Fit Me concealer. The shade that I have is 20. And yeah, these Maybelline products are very easily available in India, so you can go for them. They are really nice, especially their Fit Me range. So I'm gonna apply it under my eyes, my nose, my chin, and also in the center of my forehead. And after that I'm gonna clean off my eyebrows like that, and I'll be using the same wand because I can do that, so I'm gonna do it like that. You can also take any brush. You can take angled brush or curved brush. Yeah, this is how I'm gonna do. And after that I'm just going to blend the concealer perfectly in my skin so they don't look harsh. You know, there are no edges, so I'm just going to blend it nicely on my face. And I'm just using the same beauty blender that I used for applying my foundation. And after that I'm gonna be setting my concealer. So I'll be taking this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and I'm just going to apply it wherever I have applied the concealer. So I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes, my nose, my chin, forehead, and yeah, after that I'm also gonna apply it on my eyelids just so that it sets the concealer and the eyeshadow doesn't crease. And then after that I'll be taking this contour from Maybelline Master Contour palette or kit, and I'm just going to contour my face like that. And I'm also going to apply it on the top of my forehead since I have a bit larger forehead, so that is why I'm just going to apply it on my forehead as well. So I'm also going to apply it on the sides of my nose, a little bit here and some here. And after that I'm going to take a powder brush and I'm just going to dust off all the powder that I applied to set my concealer. And then I'm going to take this black gel eyeliner. This is again by Maybelline. I'm using mostly Maybelline. So yeah, I'm going to create a wing. So I'm just taking an angled brush. This one is by Essence. It's a very affordable angled brush. You can definitely go for it. It's easily available in India. So I'm just going to create a wing, and then I'm just going to drag this line like that, and I'm just going to create a cat eye eyeliner. Yeah, so then I'm just going to spread that eyeliner a little bit like that. And after that I'm going to apply the same eyeliner on my lower lash line as well. I'm not applying it on my waterline. I'll just keep it to my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna create this inner wing like this. And then I'm going to take this black truffle from Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I'm just going to apply it right here. And then I'll be taking a blending brush and I'm going to blend it nicely. And after that I'll be taking a white eyeshadow base. This one is by NYX, and I'm just going to apply it on my eyelids like this, just so that the yellow eyeshadow could pop. So then I'm gonna take a yellow eyeshadow. This one is by Huda Beauty Electric Obsession, and I'm just going to apply it right here. After that I'm also gonna apply that white eyeshadow a little bit here in my inner corners, and again I'll be putting that yellow eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna move on to my face art, and I'm gonna take the eyeshadow Ode from Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I'm just gonna create these hexagon designs like this. So the brush that I'm using is the one that comes with Maybelline Drama Gel eyeliner, or with any eyeliner, you can take that. So I'm just gonna create these light design. I don't want to go too dark, so you just see what I'm doing, and I'm just gonna put some music over here because I cannot explain the same procedure again and again. What I'm doing is I'm just creating hexagon designs. So yeah, here comes the music. And once I'm done with creating these hexagon designs, I'm just gonna go back to the NYX eyeshadow base, white eyeshadow base, and I'm just gonna apply it in the center of these hexagon designs. And after applying that, I'm gonna apply this yellow eyeshadow on its top. And after applying this yellow eyeshadow, you guys will see that the brown eyeshadow has faded a little bit, and yeah, so that's why I'm just gonna go back to the brown eyeshadow, and I'm using the same brush, and I'm just gonna apply that brown eyeshadow a little bit more once again. So guys, I don't have appropriate mirrors to see the side of my face, so it was really tough for me to just keep looking at one side. It was tiring. So yeah, then I'm gonna go on with the highlighter, and I'm taking Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in molten gold, and I'm just going to apply it on my cheekbone, my forehead, my nose, my chin, and I'm also gonna apply it on my brow bone. I'm gonna apply it on this side of my face very carefully. And then I'm going to coat my lashes with Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'm going to put on these false lashes by Glowmare called Soulmate. So I'm just going to put these lashes on my upper lashes and these lashes on my lower lash line. So I'm just going to do that off camera, and after that I'm going to come on to my lipstick part, and I'm applying Maybelline Drama Gel eyeliner. So first of all, I'm just going to create an outline, and then I'm going to fill that outline. And after that, on my waterline, I'm gonna apply this Kohl pencil by Pac. It's called Skin. James have applied yellow eyeliner, but I don't have that, so I'm gonna go for this. So if you guys don't want to apply honey on your face, then this look is complete for you guys. But if you guys want to apply honey, you can take honey, but I'm gonna be taking this syrup by Harshey. It's their caramel syrup, and I'm just gonna drop it on my face. And yeah, this is how I'm gonna drop it on my face, and the look is absolutely complete. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really enjoyed this look. I mean, it's really different from my regular makeup, so I'm really happy that I did it. And please let me know in the comment section what you think about it, and let me know your thoughts about it. If you guys are still not subscribed to my channel, then please consider to subscribe to my channel. That'll mean a lot to me, guys. Also follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna mention my Instagram handle in the description box, so please make sure that you check it out, and please give this video a big like. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all a lot. Take care.